Hi guys, this is Adish, and today we'll be going to discuss the Mastec May 21 con call summary. So, I come out with a 13 point summary from the all the con call script of May 21. So, if I talk about in briefly what it is all about, and so I would say that the summary was gives us the good indication how the company has performed and what all companies doing to achieve greater heights, and it's full of optimism. I would say optimism, and you will find it very good. So why we are discussing this, because this is disclosure that we are holding this company in our portfolio from 1600 odd levels, and now it's I think around 2300, right? So let's start, and this will give very good idea where the company is moving, and the growth prospects the company is having, right? So let's start. So if I talk about full year revenue financials, so revenue stands at 231.9 million and a growth of 61%. So it's a very handsome growth last year, because they have also did the acquisition of Evosys, and their EBITDA was 21.2%, which is up by 6.6 basis 7%, right? And if I talk about their cash balance, so basically their cash net of debt stood at 600 crore. That's handsome amount. 600 crore they have cash as of end of December, right? And again they had a very good year, and their this daily sales, basically debtors sales is 75 days, debtor to sales, right? So this is again giving us the good trend. And one more thing, that their free cash flows to net income stood at 110%. So we can see this, that they are able to convert their cash flows from net income almost at 100%, or more than the 100%. So that's a good indication of their cash generating capacity. So if I talk about third point says that they have added 45 new customers, and out of 45, 10 customers have $1 billion plus revenue in dollar terms. And what they are saying, that which keeps us excited seeing the potential further mining of these accounts. So basically what I did, I pasted the as it is text, so that it will give you the flavor, right? So and fourth point says about 42% year on year growth rate in terms of 12 months backlog. So whatever backlog they have, it has grown handsomely, like by 42%, right? And if I talk about fifth point, their order book growth has almost 70 to 80% more than the growth rate of revenue. So whatever revenue they generated and whatever order book they have, so what they are saying, their order book growth is 70 to 80% more than the growth rate of revenue, right? So backlog is very good, which gives us big traction as we move forward. So this is again a good point for their growth. So sixth point is, they are completely focused on digital cloud space. We look at with a great promise, because we are in a space which is growing fastest. So basically their whole focus is on digital cloud space, and they are themselves saying that it is growing fastest, and they are completely focused on digital cloud space, right? So this is again a good point. If I talk about next point 7, so they said that they have signed our first $25 million pound deal with one of the existing customers. So this again comes handy, that their existing customers are offering big deals to them. So this is clear indication of their business, right? And if I talk about next point, they are saying that our focus on growing business in North America. So basically their now next focus for growth is North America, right? And North America clearly is the largest market for Oracle, and hence also the largest market for their growth. So our current market share is quite small here, therefore the headroom they have is phenomenal. So here they are talking about the one of their acquired company, Evosys. Basically Evosys is uh, purely uh, Oracle based solution. They provide Oracle based solution, cloud solutions. So they are saying that their currently their market share is very small, and there is a uh, very good headroom and in to grow in North America. So this is again gives us the good indication that they have a good growth ahead, right? And next point, if I talk about, they have said that they have done 3-year planning this last year, right? And they have clearly planned out that where they want to be, and this strategy acquisition is going to play a big role. So acquisition also is in their mind, right? Because they have cash balance also, right? So they are on a right track, I think. And next point, what it is saying that, so this will gives you the growth in their business, how they have beautifully moved in last few years or 1 or 2 years. So let's see what is this. So another interesting one is that gives you an idea of velocity. Velocity means the speed by which they are acquiring clients. The first 10 pound 10 million pound single SOW means work kind of engagement came in January, right? January 20, and from there onwards in last calendar year, that is January to December 20. So if you look at 5-year journey, we have been in a phase of Mastech. It took us 5 years to get the first 10 million pound gate. So they are saying that they took 5 years to get the first 10 million pound client, and in the next 12 months or next 12 महीने में we doubled it, right? And in the next year, in the first quarter, they are talking about this last quarter, moved it to next level of 25 million pound plus $35 million plus deals. That's the largest one for you. So this gives us good traction, right? And next point is saying overall US forms 20 to 25% of their revenue, yeah. And their order book also got double in US, that we were talking about their their growth potential in US. So again what they are saying that doubling the order book is what I am talking about, is their ambition. So again they are saying that they'll again double their order book in US, right? And next point what they are saying is, somebody asked from them the growth rate, what growth rate they are expecting. So during con call, or they don't give the growth rate, growth, what they will at what percentage they'll grow, because they do not specifically talk about growth rates. So but they strongly feel that, what they strongly feel is that we have done better than the industry. Obviously last year they did very good, and our performance so far including backlog growth shows that we will do better than the industry growth. That's what I am benchmarking as ourselves. So mota moti broadly they have given us the what kind of growth they will be looking at and will grow at. So better than the industry, will do better than the industry growth. So that's a major point we can take from the con call, that as their valuations is not very overvalued, or not looks very overvalued, valuations is okay, and if they are going to grow better than the industry, so obviously their valuation should not be less, or I should say it should be par with other mid cap companies or should actually a little ahead, right? So to conclude what they are saying in last, that to conclude our growth pillars in the form of UK public sector and Oracle IBM Cloud is firing. So basically what they are saying here is they have two growth pillars, UK public sector and Oracle IBM Cloud. So Oracle IBM Cloud is of Evosys, right, and UK public sector is of Mastech. So primarily they are focused, or what they have been doing from last few years, they have major exposure to UK public sector, right, UK public sector clients. So now these, and Oracle is obviously, IBM Cloud is of Evosys, they are doing the best I think for Mastech. So now they are focusing on US markets, right, and UK private sector also. This point is not coming here, but during con call they mentioned that they are also targeting now US private sector companies, right? So what they are saying, to conclude, the kind of investment which we have made in private sector and also making in next coming quarters, we believe that this pillar will also come to the party, and these all pillars should start firing. So basically they are saying that they are expecting a very good growth rate going forward, right? And they're already two growth pillars are doing very well, this and they are gonna grow from here onwards. So I would say we are already having good gains, and this has shown tremendous uh, you know uh, growth in their share price, and the revenue, etc. So I think it's in last 1 year it's 8 to 9 times, and it's gonna grow. So I'm targeting at least 2800 odd levels to 3000 odd levels in next 1 year. So yeah, so this was my view, and this was the con call summary, right? So thanks for listening it, and if you like it, please do like and subscribe our channel. And disclosure that we are holding this in our portfolio, and this is only for educational purpose. Thanks guys, bye, take care.